Lokuvula kwetikolo namuhla kuthokozise kakhulu bothishela kanye nebafunzi. Tikolo lesihambele namuhla uMjingo High School, Manzini Infant kanye neSydney Williams. Bothishela nhloko bavetile kakhulu ukuthi bathokote kakhulu ukuthi tikolo namuhla tivuliwe. Lokhu kulandzela ukuthi babike ukuthi bajabule kakhulu ukuthi tikolo tivuliwe namhlanje. Umphathi wesikolo waseMjingo High School uvetile ukuthi labanye batali bebacelile ukuthi bamfaba bangabalethi namuhla esikolweni.
Siyabonga kakhulu sitikolo lokho ukuthi bahlangane onke lama stakeholders ababuyisela abantwana because bese basele kakhulu ekufundeni. But isimo sikahle cishe bonke babuye bonke and are very happy, even the teachers, all of them babuyile.
Kanti ngalolu hlangothi Jabulile Nkambule umphathi isikolo waseManzini Infant ucelile ukuthi batali kube nokubambisana emkhathini kwabatali nabothisha.
Funa sibambisane siyadinga kubanjiswa abatali kakhulu kambe nyalo ngaleti cassette ifana naleti because kunalo moya wokuthi nje hayi yakubo, so abafundi lokungena into it kakhulu like hayi kusasa we don't know that ukuthi kusasa lesiphatheleni, but we know God is still there.
Ngicabanga ukuthi sidawu khona ku catch up sidimisele ngokuthi sende lokho noko sade ukuthi angeke kuze kube lula njengoba besihlede emakhaya sicale kulomnyaka ophelele solo sihlala emakhaya, kodwa ngiyethemba ukuthi bothishela nabo batasita ukuthi sikhona kufunza siphinde sibe nemiphumela lemihle.
I am very happy to be back at school as I will get to learn and build myself a good future, and I would like to tell others to learn how to continue learning in order to obtain a better future.
Umfunzi Ncobile Magagula uvetile ukuthi bajabule kakhulu ukuthi tikolo tivuliwe, kanti waphindze waveta ukuthi likusasa labo likhona etincwadzini tesikolo. Etindzabeni yaMaswati Channel kubika Celimpilo Dlamini na Gary Carlos kaManzini.